Therefore we say, stop these 4 pillars of sinful life. Illicit sex, intoxication, meat eating and gambling. These are the 4 pillars of sinful life. If you accept these 4 pillars, then your sinful life is very strong. Break this from the very beginning. There will be no more sinful life. If you simply stop, what is the difficulty? If you do not smoke or do not drink, will you die? We have got so many devotees. They do not smoke. They do not drink. Are they dying? They do not play any gambling. Are they dying? They do not take meat. Are they dying? They do not have any illicit sex. Are they dying? It is artificial. Mayas. Artificial. It's like so many cigarette packets are advertised. Although there is written on the, what is that? It is dangerous. Yes, still the rascal will take. Still the things will be advertised. The government is writing on the packet, it is dangerous, but they are not closing the factory of the cigarette. That is because they want income. This is going on, cheating. And if you don't like it, why don't you stop this? But that they will not do. Simply so bottled. So this Krishna consciousness movement is that we want to stop this so bottled business. Everyone must be a real leader, then people will be happy. Thank you very much.